And here's our preview video for Tuesday, January 25th. So let me pop this open, our learning menu. Today you're going to be taking the topic A quiz. So let's take a look at that. So they're going to be some metric conversions. We have some data tables here. You're going to have to do some, I know this is hard to see. I can kind of zoom in if you want. I know I can't see it. But remember, we did the Great Dane, Golden Retriever, and Chihuahua. So you're going to do that. You're going to convert liters and milliliters, kilograms and grams, kilometers and meters. So you're going to be using what you've learned so far on this little quiz. For grammar, we're going to begin working on personification, and personification is when objects take on the qualities of a person. So this is our grammar, and personification is when human qualities or characteristics are given to non-human. So at 6 a.m. my alarm clock screamed at me, because alarm clocks cannot scream. The tree guarded the house. Trees can't guard houses. Amy's jacket hugged her. Jackets can't hug. So we have some examples here. And here is your practice. Does the sentence contain personification? What object is being given? The sun kissed his bare shoulders. His car coughed. Okay. So that is our personification for today for grammar. After grammar, well, after math, we have snack grammar. Then our special and lunch. For literacy, we're still working on character traits, and we're going to do character traits using inferencing. And we know that inferencing is when you take what you've read and what you know just to determine something. So here we have a little story about Rebecca, and you're going to decide if it says she's sneaky, loyal, messy, ungrateful, greedy, silly, loving, or smart, and you're going to drag and drop. Okay, and this is for Sophia. So we have several stories here, and you're going to determine their character trait. Then for writing, yesterday you completed the informative pillar. Today we begin our 7-day process writing, and we're going to work on the introduction paragraph. We need a hook, and we need a strong introduction, as we know, maybe with a hypothetical anecdote. So you're going to have this blank Google Doc, and you're going to write your introduction today. We're going to continue with this document, adding in a paragraph at a time. After recess, you're going to take the sound waves test. And you're going to have some vocabulary to complete. And there, I put text boxes here for you to type the words. And I think that helps because it is multiple choice, but when you read the sentence with the word in it, it helps. These are also multiple choice questions. So there, I made these little circles for you to put over the letters. We have an illustration here of an instrument, and you're going to choose the correct answer. And then what is the difference between pitch and volume? This is for you to write words that you might, this is like your brainstorming. What words should I include in my answer? And then type your answer down here. How can you change the pitch of a sound? You can brainstorm here, write some words that you want to list, answer here. And then we gave you this page to tell us anything you would like to tell us about sound waves that was not on the test. And you can make bullet points to do that. And as we said, during the science test, you can use your student reader, you can use the lab, you can use your instrument, anything that you have for vocabulary. If you made flashcards, if you made a chart, can't really use a Kahoot, but the Kahoot will help. So we know you're going to do wonderfully on the science test. As long as you do your best, that's all we want you to do. And we know that if you do your best, that'll be great. So that's Tuesday.